In this video, I'll show you how to remove Odoo branding. So in order to remove your Odoo branding to your website, what you can do is you can head over first to your website and then from in there, click onto this configuration and then click onto this domain name option that we have right there. Now, in order to go over, let's click on this my website is ready. So next thing we need to do from there is to head over and see in here the actual settings. So from the settings itself, you can see in here the data tabs as well the like, and in here you can see your domain name. So click onto this get a new domain name or use my own domain option. Now from in here, you can see that our domain actually has the trstore.odoo.com. So we have the branding of Odoo. In order to remove it, let's head over and then change our domain. Now for this one, you can head over and then choose in here a domain that is actually on the search bar. You can select in here the domain that you want to use. Let's use in here .org. Then input right here your actual domain owner details and then click on this register or buy it from in here.